Hello cubers and non-cubers, I am Sklan and this is my YouTube channel Cube Zone. So this video is about walkthrough of Megaminx puzzle. It is not a tutorial video. In this video I am going to solve this Megaminx puzzle from first layer to last layer. So let's just start it. So our Megaminx is in scramble state, and now first we are going to solve the star in Megaminx for we solve in 3x3 across. So I will make it a star at white side like this. I'm pretty slow in Megaminx, so it will took time to solve Megaminx, but I will solve it fast. Like I'm making a star. And we have completed the star, I think so. Yes, we have completed the star, but at a wrong place. Yes, absolutely wrong. We are making star again. Like blue is going to come here, so I insert a blue and then red, then green. So we have completed a star. We complete the cross in 3x3, and next step is to insert our corners. This is not a tutorial video. I'm saying again and again, it's only a walkthrough video, so I am going fast as per my speed. Now yes, this corner, and I want green and red corner here, and I want white, purple and green corner. So we have completed our first layer as we completed in 3x3. I am doing it in beginners method, so beginners can relate in this method if they understand the movement of my moves. Then also then I am going to solve this F12 first two layers. Like we want yellow and blue, dark blue and yellow,
like this, and we want the purple and the green like this.
We are going to complete our F12 purple, blue and yellow. I want blue and yellow. Here it is. And a final one, red and blue. Here it is. We have completed our F12. As you can see, this F12. Now here comes S12. We will solve second two layer S12. Megaminx has S12 also. So we will make this star, pink star. So we want a pink piece like this, and pink and red. Nope, I've done it wrong, sorry for that. Yes,
Actually, don't practice Megaminx more. That's why my speed is very slow. So I want the my pink and blue back. I've done it wrong. Yes, absolutely wrong.
leave this pink star. Leave this pink star. I'm going to make this green star. That pink star irritates me a lot. Now I'm making a green star. So where's green piece? green and yellow. This really, that pink star annoys me. Where is green and blue? This puzzle confused me a lot, really. I didn't get the piece always. I got this blue, and now we have completed this half star. Now we will do very fast. I'm making a orange star. This is only for entertainment, not a tutorial video. And I want a star with yellow. Yes, here it is. And I make a orange half star. Now it's done to make a blue half star.
Like this. Megamings. I'm still confusing megamings. I've solved my
That cube. What's the name? Axis cube. I solved my axis cube, but still Megamix confused me a lot. It has so many colors. Now I want this color. As I don't practice this cube, it will took time, but it is an entertainment video, so it will be okay. It is not a magnetic Megamix. It is a normal Megamix cube, stickered cube. And I want this peach and dark green. Here it is. I am doing it very quickly. I have completed all the stars except pink. Now I am going to make a pink star, half star. Pink star annoys me a lot, really.
this pink star.
Finally, we have completed all the star. I have inserted this wrong. This pink star is very irritating. I have completed all the stars. Now time to solve the S2L like this. Orange in place of orange, as we do in beginners F2L. Not here. Yes, here and here and here. And now the edges like this. I want a corner. Yes, here it is. I'm doing it very quickly because video length is increasing.
Dark blue here. And then I want a pink and green. Pink and green. Yes.
Now it's turn to solve the last layer. First I will make a cross on last layer. Okay, I have not inserted this corner. Okay, now it's turn to make a cross. Okay, I want a piece like this. Yes, now it's finally turned to make this last layer. Yes, like this. I have completed my cross of last layer, and I am going to align this cross as we do in beginners. I align this cross, and now it's time to fix the corner pieces. They are all, no, they are not all, only two, only one at their respective position. So I will do this first. I will make sure that all gray will come up. I'm doing it slowly because I don't want to destroy my layers. Yes, so here it will completed our OLL, and then this we have to complete these three corners. So for this, this will come to here. Okay, I'm doing it very slowly. Because I am don't want to destroy my layer. Yes, so we have solved our Megaminx. It took time, like 12 minutes, because I was watching in camera. So this was the walkthrough video of our Megaminx puzzle. This puzzle looks crazy, and this is crazier puzzle. So I took time, and because I don't practice Megaminx a lot. So if you like this video, then give a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video and subscribe to CubeZone. So see you guys in the next video.